Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys app notification setting in our Samsung phone guys. In this video guys I am going to show you guys how can you on guys your apps notification. Friends, you can see this app guys: YouTube, Instagram, WhatsApp, Google, Chrome, Maps notification guys you want to on in your Samsung phone, so guys you can on it. And guys now let's see how to on app notification in our Samsung phone. So friend, first of all, open your phone setting to on your app notification. Then we will scroll it, and guys you can see guys this notification settings. So I tap here, guys click on this more option, and guys click on first of all guys this most recent, and guys click on guys your all app list. So as you can see guys your all app list guys 87 app we have. So which app guys you want notification on your screen. So as you can on from here like guys Chrome one, and guys you can see this files notification, guys Flipkart notification, guys your game notification, guys Gboard notification, Gmail, Google Play Store notification. So guys you can on from here. Then guys you can see guys your app notification on your screen guys. When your notification will come guys you can check from here. So like that guys you can on guys your app notification, guys which app you want you can on from here guys. Matches message notification guys, map notification, like that guys you can on. So I hope friends you have understood. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching guys. Now we will meet on next video. Bye bye friends.